Hi everyone, this is ASKA Nails. In this video, I'll be explaining 7 reasons why gel nails may not harden. If you've ever had a situation where you applied gel and exposed it to the light, but it didn't cure properly, one of the 7 reasons I'm going to go through today might be why. Improper use of gel nails can lead to curing issues or result in them being underdeveloped and soft. I'll be providing solutions for each reason why the gel might not be hardening, so please keep watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Have you ever had the experience of applying gel nails to your nails and exposing them to light, but when you took your hand out, the gel was still sticky and hadn't hardened? The reasons why gel nails don't harden can vary from an issue with the light or an issue with the gel itself. Let's look at the 7 typical reasons and their solutions. Let's start with the first. The first reason why gel won't harden is because the gel isn't mixed enough before it is applied. If the gel is left unused for an extended period, the pigments in colored gel and the gel components may settle and separate. If you scoop only from the top and apply it, not only does it become a reason for not hardening, but it also causes uneven coloring. Therefore, before applying gel nails, use a toothpick or a similar tool to slowly stir and mix while avoiding bubbles forming. For gel in bottle, roll the bottle slowly in your palm to mix thoroughly. The second reason. The second typical reason is that too much gel is being applied. This is a common mistake for beginners. Applying too much gel at once will result in only the surface hardening, leaving the inside uncured and soft, or causing wrinkles on the surface. This is more likely to happen with dark colored gel because the pigments in the colored gel make it difficult for the light to pass through. Therefore, when applying gel, spread it thinly enough across the entire nail to avoid streaks. The amount to apply varies with the size and length of the nail, so start with a small amount and gradually add more if there is streaking. The third reason. The third typical reason is due to the incorrect light being used. The lights used to cure gel come in 3 types: LED light, UV light, and a mixed light with both LED and UV. For example, if you apply UV exclusive gel that only hardens under UV light and expose it to LED light, it won't harden. In most cases, gels can harden under both LED and UV lights, but there are some UV exclusive gels. Therefore, make sure to confirm which light your gel requires and the type of light you are using. Also, even with the same LED light, there are lights designed for nails and others for different purposes. Even if they are both LED lights, they have different wavelength ranges depending on their intended use. Non-nail specific lights may not cure properly, so use a light designed for gel nails with a wavelength range of 385 to 415 nanometers. The fourth reason. The fourth reason is the direction that the nails are exposed to the light. When applying gel and putting it under the light, if the finger isn't positioned correctly, the light may not reach where it needs to, leading to the gel remaining soft. This is especially common with the thumb. If you try to cure all 5 fingers at once, the thumb may end up in a sideways position, and this makes it difficult for the light to reach all areas, causing parts to remain uncured. To prevent this, when putting it under the light, make sure the nail surfaces face directly upward. For the index to pinky fingers, use this orientation, and for the thumb, position it in a way that ensures even exposure to light. The fifth reason. The fifth cause is insufficient exposure to light. The curing time for gel varies by manufacturer. It also varies slightly based on the type, such as base coat, color gel, top gel, etc. Generally, the curing time is around 30 to 60 seconds. But for UV lights, it's often set longer and can be around 1 to 2 minutes. Therefore, before applying gel, always check the curing time specified on the package and expose it to light for the correct duration. If the gel doesn't cure even after the specified time, it may be because you've applied too much. Or if it's a dark-colored gel with a high pigment content like black or white, it often cures less easily. In that case, try extending the curing time by 10 seconds each time you expose it to the light. The sixth reason. The sixth cause is the deterioration of the curing light. If the light is darker than when you bought it, or some parts of the light are not working, it may be due to it deteriorating. LED lights generally do not deteriorate, but in the case of UV lights, the bulbs may wear out with use and require replacement. UV lights usually come with 4 bulbs, and instead of just replacing the one that no longer lights up, it's safe to replace all 4. The seventh reason. The seventh and final reason is a misunderstanding that the uncured gel has not solidified. Uncured gel is a sticky residue left after applying gel and curing it with the light, and this is something that always remains with any gel. Some top coats applied last may have uncured gel residue, requiring a final wipe, while others, called non-wipe, don't leave any uncured gel. However, even with base coats and color gels, the sticky residue of uncured gel always remains, leading to a possible misunderstanding that it hasn't solidified without recognizing the presence of uncured gel. This uncured gel plays a role in promoting adhesion with the next layer of gel. So let's layer the next gel on top while the sticky residue remains. However, if you apply a type of top coat that leaves uncured gel residue, use cotton soaked in gel cleanser or a disinfectant ethanol to wipe it off. This way, you can wipe off the stickiness of uncured gel. How was the explanation of the reasons why gel nails may not cure? If your nails aren't curing even when exposed to the light, please refer to these 7 reasons to see if you can fix the issue. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.